It's been a long time since I've opened a Rocksbox. First thing I pulled out, oh, actually, I think this is the wrong thing. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a Rocksbox unboxing. If you don't know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month. You get sent 3 jewelry pieces based on a style quiz that you take, and then that $21 goes toward any piece that you want to keep, and whatever you don't want to keep, you send back in the prepackaged envelope. But yeah, before I get into it, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my Rocksbox unboxings. I have a whole playlist. I have a bunch of Rocksbox unboxings that I've done in my channel. Like, I've had Rocksbox for like, I want to say 3 years now. It's been a long time. And I would also love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so like I said, Rocksbox comes in the pre-packaged envelope where you can send anything back. Honestly, I've never sent anything back. I just love jewelry so much. This is perfect for any jewelry lover in your life. It's a perfect gift. But this is the packaging of the actual Rocksbox of the actual jewelry, and it always comes with a little pamphlet telling you what you got. I actually don't remember what I got, but you do take a style quiz, and basically you get to approve the items you're going to be sent, so it's not a surprise. So like I said, it comes with this little pamphlet that tells you everything you got and the total cost, and you do get a member discount because you're a member paying $21 a month, and you also get a buy all discount. So if you want to keep everything, you also get a little discount with that. And then this is also a little jewelry care card. It says avoid contact with water, perfume, other chemicals, take jewelry off when showering, exercising, and cleaning, and use the soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. I honestly never do that. I probably should, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I've opened a Rocksbox. I don't know, I've had this sitting here for a long time. I keep like losing my train of thought. But you take a style quiz and you add some pieces from their store into your like top 10, and then they send you 3 of those pieces. Usually it's from your top 10, and you have a chance to swap out for something else if you don't really like what they're gonna send you. And yeah, so like I love that. I have swapped out pieces before that because I just wasn't feeling what they were gonna send me. Like, I wasn't at the top of my list. Let me keep this handy so I can tell you the names of each thing. All right, so the first thing I pulled out, oh, actually, I think this is the wrong thing. Huh? Oh, this is an appreciation. I didn't even read the little thing that came in the pouch. Thank you for purchasing your last set. We love our Rocksbox members, and to show our appreciation, we are spreading the joy of jewelry with a free gift. These earrings are yours to keep. Thank you for being part of the Rocksbox community. So they're just like little studs. How cute. That is so nice of them. I was like, what? This isn't what I ordered. I was so confused for a second. This is what they look like. They're just like normal studs, and honestly, I had a little heart attack the other day. I thought I lost this stud actually, and it was in my shirt the whole time. And like, we were driving back from Florida, so I was like 12 hours thinking that I had lost my stud, and I was like really upset. I thought I lost it somewhere in Florida, but no. But I love wearing just studs sometimes, so really happy with this. That's so nice of them. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there we go. Now there's 3 more pouches. I was like, what is this? This wasn't part of my set. How funny. All right, so next we have the real deal. So this is the Rudiment Miramar stud pack, and this one's $51. I love this. I love the vibes of this. It's a little star with a moon in gold, and then a little lightning bolt in silver. I love studs like these. I'll try on the moon with the star situation. Totally reminds me of Sailor Moon. Like, that was such my vibes as a kid. Yep, now you guys know how old I really am. This is what they look like on. I really like them. They're flush with my ears, so they're flat. They're not like, they don't stick out. I really like them, and I bet they would look super cute with the lightning bolts right next to them. So definitely gonna hang on to these. I think they're super pretty. Are they worth the $51? I'm not sure. So next we have the Slate Huxley cuff in gold, and this one is $42. It's a bracelet, so it's a cuff. It's a cuff, right? A cuff is a bracelet, right? I usually have issues with this. My wrists are really tiny, and my fingers are also tiny. So like, I'm a size 5.5 in ring, sometimes a 6. But sometimes I have issues with cuffs. Like, they don't. This is super pretty. I feel like you could dress this up or even wear it casually. I love this, and I think the last piece I have is also like, it's a matching set. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. This is the Slate Huxley necklace in gold, and it is $51. They are a matching set. That's super cute. All right, let's go ahead and put this one on. Hopefully I can with my nails. You know how it goes with me. At this point, I have like 5 or 6 of these like chain necklaces, but I love them, and I'm probably gonna keep this because it's a matching set with this one. I actually recently bought, I was wearing this one earlier in the video I filmed right before this. This is a matching set with this necklace. and they're from Express. They're actually pretty affordable. Express jewelry is such high quality, and they're actually really, really affordable for like what they are. But this is a little different though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I could dig it. I think I like them so much. I might keep them both. I forgot to mention that I do have a discount code with Rocksbox. It is an affiliate code in that it does earn me my jewelry basically all the time. I never really pay for my boxes. I gotta be real honest with you guys. I basically get all this jewelry for free because of the amount of times my code has been used, but you can use it to get your first month free. I believe it's your first month free. If not, it's discounted. And I definitely recommend this. If you love jewelry like I do, you will love, love, love Rocksbox. They have so many styles to choose from, all kinds of finishes of metals. They have name brands, they have Kate Spade, they have really, really pretty jewelry. I love it. Like, I'm not just saying that. Like, I honestly, I do pay the $21 a month, so it does come out of my pocket. Something does come out of my pocket, don't get me wrong, but basically I don't pay for the jewelry. That's just the way it goes. You can use my code, you don't have to use it, it's totally up to you. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like Rocksbox, if you like jewelry. Would you get Rocksbox? Jewelry is just so pretty. Like, it just accessorizes like your style. I just love it so, so much, and I'm a huge Rocksbox fan. I think it's my favorite jewelry subscription service, that's for sure. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You get sent 3. I would also love, and I would also love for you to subscribe and give this, and I would also, oh my gosh, and turn on the notification bell to be notified. Oh my god.